Hey everyone, welcome back to Vidhya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today, I'm excited to share a recipe for a soft and spongy dosa made with watermelon rind. Let's dive right in and check out the recipe. As much as I enjoy watermelon, I have a special love for its rind, the white flesh part. I have already shared a Thai watermelon rind curry. Feel free to check it out also if you are interested. When I chop watermelon, I store the rind unpeeled just like this. Here it is. You can use this for making chutneys and curries and whatnot. This is how I store them. I just store them in a airtight container and peel the skin when needed. Now for this dosa, we need 1 cup of idli rice, quarter cup of thick poha, and half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Rinse them all together and soak in sufficient water for 6 to 8 hours. Now, before grinding, let's prepare the rind. This is when I peel the green portion of the watermelon rind and chop them into small pieces. Like I said, you can use this rind for making kootu, chutney, and also the popular tutti frutti is also made with watermelon rind also. So now chop these unpeeled rind into small pieces, and for this recipe we need about 1 cup, which is approximately 130 grams. I leave the red part here because it adds a slight sweetness to the dosa. If you are not a big fan of that, you can remove that red part also. That's totally a personal preference. Like I said, we need 1 cup of watermelon rind, approximately 130 grams. Now into a mixer jar, add quarter cup of coconut and this chopped rind and grind it coarsely. And now drain the water from the soaked rice mixture and add it to the mixture jar along with 1.25 teaspoons of salt. Grind everything in batches into a smooth batter using about 3/4 cup of water. This water measure might be different based on the rice quality. Now transfer this batter to a bowl and mix well and let it ferment for about 6 to 8 hours. Now the dosa batter is ready and we can start preparing the dosa. Heat the tawa and when it is hot, pour a ladle full of batter onto it. Spread the batter from the center to the edges and drizzle oil around the edges. When the batter is well fermented, you can see the small holes that is forming. That tells that the batter is nicely fermented and that yields soft and spongy dosa. Now cover the dosa and let it cook for 50 to 60 seconds or until the top of the dosa changes color. Then gently loosen the edges with a flat spatula and flip the dosa. Cook for another 20 seconds and that's it. Your delicious watermelon rind dosa is ready. You can enjoy this dosa with your favorite side like coconut chutney or onion chutney or sambar or even kurma. Give this recipe a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you soon with a new video. Thank you.